Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alicia and this is Heart and Hand Creations and Events. Today on my channel, guys, I'm doing a very small haul. Just trying to stay in the loop. I don't like being off of the out of the loop too long with putting out videos and content. So today, though, I'm going to do a small not a DIY, a small haul from Dollar Tree. Be back in a moment. Okay, what I have here from Dollar Tree, I bought another pack of these craft clamps. These little things are pretty strong. I really like them. They helped out a lot holding my display in place when the wind was flapping during my yard sale. Yeah, that was crazy. Them things were flapping away. And actually one did flip off, but that's because I didn't have a clamp on it. So now I have enough for another time. I bought these butterflies, decorative butterflies. My grandbaby is into butterflies. So I bought these for her. And I found some, it's called Crafter's Square and white felt. Dollar Tree, y'all. They didn't have this before. When it first started coming out, you was only finding it at Christmas time, and you were only getting black, green, and red. But I saw white, so I grabbed it. Anytime I see something at Dollar Tree that I don't see anywhere else, because what you see in one Dollar Tree, you might not see it in the next one, and vice versa. So I picked this up. Also, same thing, I have a few, but I don't remember what letters I have. They have the decorative glitter letters, ornaments. These are tree ornaments. Yeah, Dollar Tree has the Christmas stuff out already, y'all. So, got a J, M, I got a K, and an L. And these, the K's and the M's and the J's, they're hard to find. So I made sure I got a few of them. I also picked up some felt letters. They had black, white, and red. I just got the black and white. And what I could use these for are making posters or signs. And I also thought about using them on my masks. I could use some fabric glue, put these in place. I picked up some more Christmas decorations that don't necessarily have to be for Christmas, but it's a decoration. These mini disco balls, I call them. Gold ones. I have silver. I have a few silver from last year. I bought these squeezable applicator bottles because I'll be using these when I get back to my painting. I have an idea for a painting that was inspired by a video that I saw, but I want to use these. So, calendars, variety of calendars. One for my grandson, my granddaughter. This one's for me, and I also have a planner. A monthly planner. And the last thing I could show you is another inspired craft or decor, and it's for a door. It's a door wreath with a stained glass window effect. Well, you watch my girl, it's her channel, her name is Tony, and her channel is called Your House a Home. And she does the stained glass door wreath window. The door, stained glass window with the door wreath. And she uses the acrylic or the plastic tray, serving tray, and the silver serving tray. So, yeah. And the main thing that she does to give the effect is this. And what she does is she builds her wreath around. She keeps the tray. She doesn't cut this off. She just builds the wreath around it. And she also makes sure that she puts whatever she's going to use to hang it up, the string that she'll have that'll come out the back, she puts a hole in here somewhere, hooks it up. You don't even see it. You don't even notice. But yep. So I'm going to try it out. And this is all from a client that I have whose apartment building, her aunt's apartment building, they're going to have a, what do you call it? A contest. My client asked me would I be able to, you know, help her out with that. So I've been searching and looking around for different ideas. This is something that I want to try just in case I can do it. And if it looks right, that'll be part of her door decoration. And she also has a little shelf on the side of her door. So she wants something for the shelf and something for the door. So I'm going to see what I can do. I also want to see if maybe I'm thinking to do something really sharp around her door, and I'm going to put lights on it. So anyway, guys, I hope you like the content that I put out today, my little haul. And if you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you want to see more videos that are DIY and tutorial type of videos. Check me out. Hit that subscribe button, the notification bell, so that each time I upload a new video, you will know. Don't forget to share, guys, and comment below. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye-bye.